Verily, Allah and His angels send mercy upon those who eat sehri. This hadith of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ explains the significance of sehri in that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showers His forgiveness and mercy upon us. He is gracious and the most merciful. But do we ever stop to thank Him for His uncountable blessings? And despite us not thanking Him, He still gives us opportunities to ask for His mercy. Some people spend their entire day sleeping away their fast. That isn't really the way to waste away such a blessed month, is it? By sleeping all day long, you lose out on the real purpose of fasting and become a slave to only your own comfort and ease. Sleep less, pray more, and make the most of your time during Ramzan.